Now, let me just tell you, in case, okay, as per policy, we don't want any harassment or any kind of code of conduct violations to happen. But yes, some of us have observed that a few things are happening. So the expectation from everyone across the board is to speak up. Speak up when you are feeling that there is something wrong. You are not expected to give proofs. You are not expected to, provide evidence. You need not investigate, nothing. If you find something, there are various avenues in these organizations to escalate. If it is a small thing related to process policies, you can even escalate your functions. If it is something which is related to critical incidents which is happening in the organization, you can go to workline and report the incident reporting. Beyond that, you want to confidentially do it. You don't want to publish your name, but you want to highlight something. You can use the whistleblower policy. And if you need any guidance related to that, always your managers or business HRs are all available for you to get a proper guidance on it. So reporting some violations, reporting a misconduct, or reporting a feeling that something is going wrong, or you have identified some missing patterns in the way certain systems are working, every employee in this organization should show courage to come up and raise it. Please understand that reporting a violation is a sign of courage. It is not a sign of conflict. You need not too much think about what will happen what will be the consequence on me. No. Our policy have a very, very, very clear non-retaliation clause which is in place. What is a non-retaliation clause? For example, an employee has raised a concern against the manager, or some other employee has raised a concern against a senior person in the company. Concern is raised, there is a proper investigation process, there is a proper system which is there to take the complaint to the solution. During the course of this, nobody is allowed to interfere in the process. The manager cannot go back and employee asking why you have raised this, or he cannot use somebody else to connect and ask why you are saying what you have told to the committee, or what kind of complaint you have raised, what proof you have. No, when a complaint or a violation is raised, the person who is attributed for the violation is not, or undergoing inquiry, is not supposed to involve in any of the inquiry process, nor show any interest in getting information from the investigating team. We are also expecting the accused person to support the investigation through whatever records or documents which is required to prove your innocence. You can submit it to them. While we have given freedom people to raise the issues of harassment, retaliation, or the misconduct, we also is safeguarding the interest of the employees who are accused. We have a very, 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 very strong process to ensure that the allegations against an employee is thoroughly inquired, very neutrally by the people, which is evidence-based. It is coming to a staff accountability committee where very senior people are sitting in that committee and, kind of getting into the nitty-gritty of every evidence is there. The debates are done to ensure that we are giving a fair treatment to the person who are accused also. Having said that, the larger objective of what I am talking to you now is to avoid all these things. We are a big organization. We are spread across multiple places, right? We have people with different cultural, social background coming to the organization, people with different experience background coming to the organization. We are not expecting everything to be running very seamless, but as an organization, as individuals, we have set systems and process, and it is our responsibility to understand what are all those process policies in the organization and follow that. If I have questions, I should go and ask, is this correct which I am doing or not, and behave accordingly. We cannot just say that I am not aware of it, or in my other organization this is how we were doing it. These are all not the right excuses we should keep.